Bitcoin price prediction, crypto arbitrage, and crypto market cycle. If you don't want to lose more money than you make in the crypto space, then you must be a smart investor. Hello, cryptopreneurs. Welcome to today's edition of CEOs, Crypto Edutainment and Opportunities. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin price prediction. We are going to know when the bear market is going to come to an end, the lowest price Bitcoin will get to before there is a reversal, that is before there is an upward move in the crypto market. We're also going to know Bitcoin price for the remaining part of this year, 2022. We're also going to know Bitcoin price for 2023, 2024, and 2025. So you just have to trade smartly. Make sure you don't fast forward this video, watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on any information. So are you ready to know the next Bitcoin price? Let's dive in. Hello viewers, welcome back. So right now we're going to go straight into business. We're going to be analyzing the market and predicting Bitcoin price using a combination of tools. We're going to be using a bell curve. We're also going to make use of historical price data of Bitcoin to ascertain the next price of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price prediction is the same thing as the crypto market prediction because Bitcoin has the market dominance, the highest market dominance, and whatever happens to Bitcoin also happens to the entire market. So when I talk about Bitcoin price or Bitcoin market, I'm still talking about the general crypto market. Alright, so just before we commence, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for instant updates. So whenever I release the next video on CEOs, crypto edutainment and opportunities, you get instantly notified. I remain the Bishop of Cryptocathedral. Alright, let's get down to business. Okay, so the market cycle is divided into 4 phases. The crypto market cycle is divided into 4 phases. According to the bell curve, we have the accumulation stage, we have the run-up phase, we have the distribution phase, and the run-down phase. Currently, we are at the run-down phase. I'm doing this video because a lot of people have complained on how they've lost more money than they've made in the crypto space. And as long as you've decided to trade the crypto market, to buy and sell or to invest, you must understand the times and season in the crypto market so you don't end up buying at the wrong time at all-time high and waiting for your little investment to raise to about 10x, 100x, 1000x. You have to understand the market, acquire knowledge, know when to buy, when not to buy, when to sell, and when not to sell, so you can maximize profits, minimize risk as much as possible. All right, so currently we are at the rundown stage, but the big question is, where are we going to? Where will Bitcoin price get to before there is a reversal? All right, so let's continue with the crypto market life cycle based on historical data. I've tabulated the prices, the all-time low and all-time high of Bitcoin prices for since the first cycle of the crypto market, since Bitcoin was of course created since 2009 till date. All right, so you can see this from the table. We have the first column as the market cycle, the year, next column is the year. We have the all-time low, the all-time high, the percentage change, that is the fall, the decline in price, the percentage change. We also have the duration in the all-time high and all-time low. We also have the accumulation period, which is in the stage of the bell curve, which is accumulation, run-up, distribution, and run-down. So we are going to know when best to buy at this market. All right, so from this table, you can see that we've experienced, or we are currently at the 4th cycle of the crypto market. We have the 1st cycle, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. I've grouped the highs and lows of each of these cycles in this table. All right, so during the first market cycle, Bitcoin price peaked at about $30, and afterwards it went to as low as $2.2. So we had a 93% drop in price. During the second cycle, we had Bitcoin price peaked about $1,165, and there was an 85% drop in price, which brought it down to about $178. And the third cycle, we had 83% drop in price. So for the fourth cycle, which we are now, the big question is, how many percent drop in price are we going to experience? All right, don't worry, we are going to get there. All right, so you can see after the first cycle, there was about 14-month accumulation period where the price was low, people had the opportunity to buy at a very low rate, but then the awareness was very, very low. Just a little of the population knew then about Bitcoin. So we had the second cycle, and we had about 10-month accumulation period. The third cycle, we have about 5-month accumulation period. The awareness and the adoption was increasing. Alright, so this crypto market life cycle has been summarized in this chart that we have over here. The Bitcoin life cycle is the same as the crypto life cycle. So if Bitcoin is on a bull run, the entire market is on a bull run. And when it's on a bearish move, some altcoin will disappear into thin air. Let's not go there right now. Okay guys, so as you can see on the screen, during the first Bitcoin life cycle, the bell curve wasn't so obvious. It started becoming more obvious during the second, third, and now the fourth life cycle, the crypto life cycle. All right, so on this chart just identifies the ATL and the ATH. That is the all-time high and the all-time low. That is, each point you see here is representing all-time high, all-time low. So we have the all-time high, all-time low, all-time low, all-time high, all-time low, all-time high. Yes, and today we have the current price of Bitcoin. But the big question is, to what level is this price going to get to before we get to the accumulation stage of the crypto market? All right, so this is just the chart that I drew from historical data from the ATH and ATL since 2009 till date. Let's go to live chart so I show you exactly what the price is today. All right, so this is Bitcoin live chart. Let me show you where this bell curve has played out. Okay, you can see from this all-time high, let's draw. So this is the accumulation stage, this is the runoff, this is the distribution stage, and the rundown before the next accumulation stage. And as one stage is coming to an end, the next stage is commencing. Usually the crypto market takes 4 years to complete a cycle. So you can see this is the accumulation stage, then the runoff, the distribution stage, then the rundown. This is for 2014. Let's go forward to the next stage. Okay, so here we have the bell curve again repeating itself. Let's see, this is the accumulation stage, the runoff, distribution stage, then the rundown, and down to the distribution stage. Don't mind my drawing. So you can see after the price peaked at about 19,000, this is during the 2017 run. After the price peaked at about 19,000 plus, it started running down and consolidating rightward. So now the next bull run, which is this market cycle that we are now, the accumulation stage continued and the runoff began, and we peaked at about 69,000 or thereabouts. Then start the rundown, which we are now, and this is currently where we are now at about $18,860,000. Now the big question is, how much deeper is the Bitcoin price going to go further before we start another bull run? All right, so let's answer the question of how deep Bitcoin price will get to before there is a reversal. The lowest price of Bitcoin in this crypto market cycle. If you look at the current price where Bitcoin is now, Bitcoin is currently sitting at around the 19K region, currently at 18,929, which is around the previous all-time high of the last crypto market cycle. Okay, so now let's check the next support, because the current price is not a strong support to hold Bitcoin price down. So let's check for the next support after the 19K region. All right, so the next support is around this region. We have another support around this region. Okay, yes, you can see this is okay, let me adjust it a little. Okay, yes, this is a support line. I think here we are having multiple contacts with this support line. All right, so as you can see from the screen, we are having a support line of about $10,000 to $12,000 from this support line that we've identified. So my prediction for the lowest low of Bitcoin price for the fourth crypto market cycle is within the region of $10,000 to $13,000. Don't worry, I will take you back to the historical table and prove that data to you. But before we do that, let's check what will Bitcoin price be in the coming months. Let's talk about Bitcoin price today. Let me zoom closer. All right, so as you can see from the screen, it's as if the Bitcoin chart is forming a double bottom. And if we are having a double bottom, this is what we are going to have. Let's use our Fibonacci. All right, let me zoom closer so we can get a perfect bearing. Okay. All right, so let me take my bearing from here. Though this candle is still on, the price has not closed for today, but I'll take my bearing from the last close, open and close price of these two candles that we have over here. All right, so we are going to have Fibonacci at this. Okay, all right. So for the month of July, I'm predicting that there will be a rise in the price of Bitcoin, because it's as if the candlestick here is forming a double bottom, and if that is confirmed and we have a double bottom from this candlestick that is forming here, after the end of today's candle, perhaps I should be able to ascertain that. But if really we have a double bottom, then it means we are expecting an up move in price. And when there is an up move, it means we should be expecting price at about 23,000 region. All right, so we're expecting the price to get to this level, which is about $23,800. There could be an upward push beyond this, maybe to about 25,000, but I'm not really certain about that. Hopefully July will be a green month. Towards the end of July, we could experience a decline in price, yes, but for now, I think this double bottom is what will play out in this price chart. And once this target is hit, there will be a fall in price. So for August 2023, I'm predicting that there will be a fall in price. August, September, there will be a fall in August. Probably there will be a sideward consolidation in price by September. Then we might experience the deepest dip, which is the lowest low of Bitcoin price for this crypto market season in October, November. That is my prediction. Things can go southward, but that is my prediction from historical data. This is not a financial advice. This is not certain. It's not 100% that the price must play out exactly as I have said it, but this is what is guiding my decision making in the crypto space. And I've been trading with this for a couple of years, and it has really been profitable to me. So I just feel I should let you know my take on Bitcoin price. So I'm predicting for next month, July, there will be an increase in price. It should be a green month. Towards the end of the month, or probably first week of August, there will be a decline in price. And by probably September, there will be a sideward move, which will be a consolidation. And maybe by November, October, November, we may experience the deep fall in price, which will be the lowest low of this crypto life cycle for the fourth crypto life cycle. That is just my prediction. Hopefully this plays out, but let's go back to the historical chart so we can confirm the lowest low figure. Remember, during the first cycle, we have minus 93% change in price. There was a fall from about $30 all-time high to about $2.2, which was the all-time low then. So we had a 93% drop in price. During the second cycle, we have about 85% drop in price. During the third cycle, we had about 83% drop in price. And now during the fourth cycle, if the price gets to about $10,000, like we just saw on that chart at the main support level, then we'll be having minus 86% fall in price. So do you think that is possible? Minus 86% fall in price. Okay, let's say if it falls to about 11,000, then we'll be having minus 84%. Is that possible? If the price falls to about 12,000, then we'll be having a decline of about 83%. If it is 13,000, then we'll be recording a decline of 81% in this market cycle. So do you think that is possible? Well, like I said earlier on, I'm predicting that the lowest low for Bitcoin price in this crypto market cycle will be within the 10 to 13k dollar region. So do you think we're going to have a minus 81% retracement in Bitcoin price, or we're going to have 83 or 85% retracement? Well, let's watch and see. All right, so going back to our bell curve, when will be the accumulation period? When will be the best time for you to buy so you can make the best profit for yourself? Well, we are seeing the rundown, like I said earlier on, and we are gradually approaching the accumulation period where you can buy at the all-time low. You can buy as much as possible. Some people will still not buy until there is an upward move, and that is where fear of missing out comes in. Then you buy at a higher rate, probably buy at the all-time high. All right, so when will be the best time to buy Bitcoin or altcoin, or to invest in the crypto market, especially if you're going in for the long term, if you're not good at trading? So if you were asking me, I would say the best time to invest in the crypto market, especially when you are going for the long run, is once there is a fall, once Bitcoin has touched its lowest low. From that moment on till May 2023, this period will be the accumulation period, where a lot of institutions, a lot of investors will be buying and keeping in their wallet safe, stocking in their wallet, getting ready for the next bull run. Definitely, it's a market cycle. There will always be the accumulation stage, there will always be a runoff, there will always be a distribution stage, and the rundown. So the best time to get into the market is during the accumulation stage. When this period reaches, back as much as possible. You can sell your house, use the money to buy crypto, but I'm not responsible. Identify those crypto that is of great potential, those that will not fade away. Because I can tell you that during this bear market, a lot of crypto will fade away. They will disappear into the thin air. They won't be able to survive the bear market. Because that was how some of them faded away during the last bear market. The same thing will happen during this market. So always ensure that you invest in the right crypto. You can join my Telegram group for more updates on Bitcoin price and more updates on CEOs, crypto entertainment, and opportunities. Please understand that investing in the crypto space is risky. But of course, we love to take risk. That is where we get the highest ROI, highest return on investment. That is why we are here in this space together. And from May 2023, we start experiencing a little increase or a sign of the next bull season or the next bull run that we are going to enter. So towards the end of 2023 and 2024 will be a very juicy year. There will be an upward movement in the crypto market. And in 2025, we are going to experience the next all-time high where Bitcoin will be over $100,000. So make sure you invest at the accumulation stage so you make as much profit for yourself. All right, so that is all for Bitcoin price prediction today. In subsequent video, I'll be covering crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. A lot of people love to do crypto arbitrage or arbitrage trading, but they don't really know the best time to do crypto arbitrage, and they also don't know much about trading. So we are going to be striking a balance. I'll be doing a little comparison about the two and tell you when to take advantage of each of them at each point in time. So stay tuned to my channel, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel for more opportunities in the crypto space. Join my Telegram group for more updates or chat with me, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you think about the next bull season. Tell me what you think about the end of the bear market and the next season that we are entering very soon. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for instant updates. So whenever I release the next video on CEOs, crypto entertainment, and opportunities, you get notified. Thank you very much. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral. Do have a lovely day.